Y'all, I have a massive Fashion Nova cozy fall outfit try on haul for you guys. If you guys like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and head over to their website because they have some really cute and cozy, comfortable outfits for this time of the year. Okay, so the first outfit that I have for y'all is this adorable gray sweater vest. I love the color. It's like this light gray, so cutesy. And then I paired it with just a white button-down shirt. I believe I also got this from Fashion Nova like a year or so ago. If I can find the haul, I will pin it up there so that you guys can go watch it. And then I paired it with these really cute boot cut jeans. These are so freaking adorable, y'all. Like, OMG. They look so good on me. They got me looking a little thick or whatever. They're so cozy, cutesy, and they go all the way down to the ground. Like, they're a little bit long, but they're still really cute. So I think pairing these with like some little boots or something could be a really cute fall look. Okay, next up, I have this super freaking cozy outfit. So I have this really cute sweater. OMG, y'all. I love this. This is so cozy. Oh, I cannot wait to wear this to class. Like, OMG. And then I decided to pair it with these green, or like kind of like army green little joggers. They come with the drawstring. And then on the bottom, they are straight legged. But you can like, you know, like when they have that thing where you can like scrunch it or whatever, you can do that with these. But right now I just have them straight leg. Honestly, this outfit is so cute. I need to get some Tims because this outfit would look so cute with some Tims. But here is this outfit. It's really cute and cozy. Okay, so next up, I have this really cute cream color turtleneck. Honestly, I just feel like having a turtleneck is just a necessity for this time of the year. So I usually like to get very like simple, solid color turtlenecks. I have quite a few black turtlenecks, but I realized that I did not have any white ones. And then this was the closest I could get to white. So I decided to get this, and then I'm wearing those boot cut jeans again. Honestly, this outfit turned out a lot cuter than I was expecting. It's definitely just a very cute, simple outfit, but I definitely think it's really adorable. So yeah, this one kind of more of a timeless little outfit, but still a necessity for this weather. Okay, so next up I have this really cute burgundy and white striped sweater. I love this. It's so chic and kind of gives a little touch of like old money aesthetic. So I love this. Like, it gives like that old money, like scholarly aesthetic. I think this is so cute. Again, I think this would look so cute on campus. So definitely something that I would wear for class. Overall, it's very cozy and it fits pretty good too. I would have preferred if it was like a little bit tighter, but since it is a sweater, it gets a pass. Okay, so next up I have this amazing office siren-ish type of shirt. So it comes with like kind of like a corset built into a button down, and then I think I like it. It's like collared, it's cute, and then I thought that it would look cute with this denim skirt, but it's not really giving what I thought it would give, so I'm not a huge fan of this outfit. Really, I think it's the skirt. The skirt is kind of big on me. It just kind of makes me look like a little bit like, I don't know, just not very flattering. It just doesn't really hug me. It doesn't really show my curves or anything. But I do think that this top, if I paired it with, I'm thinking maybe like some shorts and some like lace tights or something like that, this could be a really cute outfit. But yeah, it's still a work in progress for sure. Okay, so next up I have this really cute denim top. So this top is so unique. I am obsessed with it, and honestly I wanted to pair it with these black capris that I have, but I cannot find them. It is so annoying. So for right now I just have on these like cream color capris, but I definitely would not wear these with those. Definitely I would wear it with those black ones. But yeah, this top is really unique. I love how it has the little like crochet, or not crochet, the little corset type of effect going on in the front, and then a lot of opening too. I am wearing a bra just because like it's YouTube, but I would probably go braless with this. And yeah, overall this is still really cute. I give this a 10 out of 10 because I can see the vision. All right, I got some heat right here. So I have this really cute two-piece jumpsuit, and it says jet lagged on the back, and then it also says jet lagged here. This is super high quality. Like, the jet lagged is embroidered in and it looks so good. This is definitely another super cozy little fit. This is honestly really cute as like a little pump cover for the gym, or either it could just be a cute chill campus outfit. Probably something I would wear during like finals or something like that. But yeah, this honestly is a really cute outfit. I give this a 10 out of 10. Really cozy, definitely just something I would wear to go run some quick errands or something like that, but it's still really cute and cozy. Next up, I have these really cute floral printed denim jeans. I am obsessed with these. They fit so well. I got these in a size 0 and I was a little bit worried that they may be a little bit too small, but they actually fit perfectly, and they still do have kind of that like baggy, oversized effect going as well. And then overall, the design, I just think the design is super tough. Like, it's just, I love printed jeans. I think they're just a really good like flare, like just like, I don't know, just like it shows off a little personality. Like, and I always get compliments whenever I'm wearing like printed jeans. People are always like, oh, your jeans are tough. I'm like, thank you, thank you, thank you. So yeah, I actually love these. I think they're so cutesy bootsy, and honestly you can pair them with any top. I'm just still wearing that sweater from the last jumpsuit because I really do like it. But yeah, you can honestly pair these with anything and they will look really cute. I also got this really cute leather jacket. So it's kind of like a cropped leather jacket, and then it has like the little belt around it as well. This is super cute, definitely just really high class. Definitely something that would be cute for like a little date night or something. Wear this with some capris, some heels, and boom, you got a fit. So this one, I wanted to wear it with those black capris, but I cannot find them. So anyways, here's this really cute leather jacket as well. Last but not least, I got these really cute black heels. I am notorious for losing my black heels or breaking them, so I just got these because I always need a pair of black heels. You can never go wrong with them. So I got these because I really like this little design as well. I think they just look really cute. They look real high class, so we'll be adding these to the But that is the last thing that I have for y'all. If you guys like this haul, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below which outfit was your fave, and make sure to follow me on all of my socials, TikTok, Instagram, all of the good stuff, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.